quick little update. Again, ready to go ahead and put it all back together. It was more damage than what we thought. But it's at the dealership, so obviously they're gonna put all O&E parts on it and get it back A1. So waiting for the parts to come in. They overnighted the parts. Even though it's overnighted, do not mean it's literally the next day the parts gonna come in. But hopefully the parts come in the next 2 days, because they said if they didn't overnight the parts, then they would have took about a week or so for the parts just to get in, and we cannot have that. Cause I actually got other stuff to do with this vehicle. I actually need to put some mods on it that I already ordered. I was gonna take it to a couple car shows, a couple drag strip events that was coming up. And another thing, since it's standing out to me, people like, what's up with your tires? How often do you rotate your tires? I seen the comments on the YouTube, on here on YouTube. My tires actually got rotated. The good ones are in the back. But also, I don't have my keys to my car, but I have a brand new 4th set of tires in the trunk right now, waiting to for all this to get done, and then the tires going on. But yeah, that's just a quick little clip update video. So we'll be back on the road soon. Here's the stage that my baby is in right now. He said they got all the fenders and hoods and everything. The hood is right over here in this box, that big tall box, brand new hood. Right there in that big box, brand new hood. So this hood is about to come off. Everything's about to get painted. They already replaced all the stuff that was knocked up, radiator, everything like that. So I'm about to go ahead and get this boy knocked out, hopefully within another 24, 48 hours. Emblem's gone, because obviously they gotta spray blend the paint when he paint or whatnot. But so I'm gonna have to do those rewrapped. And y'all all keep talking about my tires. Look, the good tires in the back, bad tires in the front because I burnt them out. But I also got new tires in the truck that's gonna get replaced. So leave me alone with my tires, all right, people? But yeah, it's crazy to see my baby like this in its early stages of life. No handles, no nothing. We're about to get it all done. This baby back on the road. So why a tire? But yeah, they had to replace the sensor, everything like that. So about to get everything right. It's gonna be up from here. About to get some engine work done, make this boy a little bit faster. So there we have it. Process. My baby's about to be back out here. Back in here for the final update of this video. It's gonna be one whole video, but damn, Hellcat logo is back on. Car back together. Whew. No accident, no more. Everything is perfect. Besides the tires still. At least my gap is gone, right?
Yeah.
This from the factory had a little gap to it, but hey, he got it back perfect. So yeah, about to get my Brakes done, rotors done, everything like that. Next video, so y'all will see that. But at least I'm done with my car being damaged and everything like that. But yeah, it's perfect. You had to spray the, you had to put it on and then still spray, or it was just perfectly sprayed good?
Oh yeah, it's sprayed.
Yeah.
I might have to rub it when it's all said and done, but I really want to until I wipe it down.
Until you wipe it down or whatever.
I don't want to do anything until he finishes.
Right. Oh yeah, I got you. But yeah, perfect. Everything perfect. A good feeling. A good feeling. Just to hear that sound again, and I gotta talk over the sound. I just love the loudness of it compared to the rentals I was in for the time being. And of course I had the Jeep 392 Wrangler I had also for a few days and whatnot, which I'm guaranteed gonna have that, use that car a few more times throughout my channel. But it's just a good feeling to have this back and have my exhaust sound back and my Hellcat back, and you know, and back to mint condition. No damage, no nothing, back to perfect. Actually better than factory, because like I said, when I took delivery of the car, the bumper was off a little bit, like the clip or whatever wasn't sitting right properly, and they didn't want to touch it because they didn't want to mess up the brackets or whatnot right here in the corner by the side marker. But now once the accident happened, it was like, hey, they gotta fix it and gonna get it back perfect. So about to get the finishing touches on it, and I'll have my baby back. So y'all guys seen all the little step-by-step, well, not to the detailed step-by-step process, but y'all seen the process of me getting it back and everything like that. So ugly, back sexy. Good feeling to get her back.